Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best multimeters that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the INNOva 3320. For beginners, INNOva 3320 is the perfect meter you need if you want to make a name in the electronic engineering field. What's more, you can use INNOva 3320 in solving household problems such as car batteries failure because it is an auto-ranging multimeter. Therefore, with it, you don't need to dial in the correct range in electronic measurements. The best beginner multimeter can input up to 10 megohms and comes with color indicators on its digital large LCD display to indicate the battery power. Green color shows it has enough power, yellow shows the battery is weak, and red indicates that its batteries need a replacement. Second up is the Fluke 87V. After reviewing a couple of dozen multimeters on the market, we decided that Fluke 87V is the best one. I believe that Fluke 87V HVAC Pros Enable is the best multimeter brand for the money buys for any electrician. Fluke Multimeter, being a leader in the electronic tool market, has developed high-quality products since its conception in 1948. They have made a reputation by delivering exactly what they promise as per the needs of the consumer. Third in line is the Klein Tools MM600 multimeter. Klein Tools MM600 DC-AC voltage digital multimeter with a highest rate input resistance would still be impressive even at double its price thanks to its great functionalities. At less than $100, it's simply incredible. Klein Tools is the best multimeter on the market today. It's suitable for anyone who works with electronics or automobiles. Do not let the low price tags fool you into thinking that it is a standard meter just like the rest in its price category. Fourth up is the INNOva 3340. There might not be a perfect digital multimeter for automobiles work, but the INNOva 3340 performs well compared to other types of multimeters on the market. In fact, we can term it as one of the best multimeters who like to tinker with electronic circuits in the building or things like pedometers, motors, and humidity sensors. What makes this combo kit stand out is its combination of features that give it an edge over its competitors. Lastly, fifth up is the Extech X330. Don't go through the hustle finding the right multimeter alone. When it comes to packing a bunch of attractive features into a single digital multimeter, Extech X330 Autoranging Mini Multimeter takes the cake. Their multimeters are both versatile and durable and have been designed to be useful to both professionals and amateurs. They also go to great lengths to ensure their products are affordable no matter what budget you're working with. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.